Hello, I'm Matt with Acura Brookfield, and today we're going to look at the 2020 Acura TLX 4-cylinder, which is offered in 3 trims: Base, Technology Package, and the A-Spec Package. The 2.4-liter engine packs a punch with 206 horsepower and an excellent 33 miles per gallon on the highway. All TLX models come standard with AcuraWatch Suite of Safety features, including Collision Mitigation Braking System, Lane Keeping Assist, Adaptive Cruise Control, and more. Inside, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard features. Navigation and the Acura ELS Studio Premium Sound System are part of the technology package like this one. Every TLX features integrated dynamic system, which offers 4 unique driving modes: Econ, Normal, Sport, and Sport Plus. The second row has plenty of space and can fit 3 comfortably. The sizable trunk offers plenty of cargo space, and the rear seats can fold down for additional storage. Thanks for watching this video about the TLX. Should you have any questions, please let us know.